Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds REALME Buds T200 Lite. So the first option is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. Then at the bottom of the charging case we have USB-C port. Here it is. So connect USB-C cable right at this port. Now the most important, this LED light on the front side, meaning that your earbuds are charging. The second option is to use your phone to charge your earbuds, and all you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to the charging case. And again this LED light, so it also works. The third option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable. And you can charge your earbuds from, let's say, your PC. So it looks like this. Connect USB-C cable to your earbuds. And I'm going to connect USB-A cable to my PC, but you can connect with another device that have USB-A port. And again we have the LED light, so it also charge your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!